Hello everyone. Today we are going to start a new training session on security essentials. We are now on the first course, Networking Concepts. But before starting this course, we must understand why we need security, why security is important for us, why we are talking about security, cybersecurity, and why we are getting training on security essentials. We need physical security just as we need cybersecurity because we are connected with the internet, and we are in our virtual worlds. Security here is becoming more important. In this training, you will get to know what are the networking concepts, what is cryptography, what is encryption, what is physical security according to cyber attacks. So now we are going to start our first course that is networking concepts. The objective of this course will be to, in class 1, to get to know about networking fundamentals, network types, network topologies, LAN protocols, WAN protocols, and network devices. In class 2, you will get packets and addresses, IP service ports, IP protocols, TCP, UDP, ICMP, and DNS. In class 3, we're going to go over TCP dump, recognizing and understanding UDP, ICMP. And in class 4, we're going to go over routers, routing protocols, access control protocols. And in class 5, we'll finish up with physical security threats, physical security controls, and physical security measures. So let's dive into class 1. Networking fundamentals. Networking fundamentals teaches computer science students the building blocks of modern network design, as we get the architecture of our network from which we are connected. In case you know all the topologies, all the networking devices, and all the networking fundamentals, then you will get to know how you are connected with the internet. What is the basic architecture from which you are connected? For example, if you are in a building and you know how many floors are in the building, where the gates are, where the windows are, then you know the architecture of that particular building. It's similar in the case of being connected to the internet and knowing all the networking fundamentals. So there are many different kinds of networks and network topologies and technologies used to create them. The proliferation of network methods has generally occurred for very good reasons. Different needs require different solutions. The drawback of this is that there are so many types of protocols and technologies for the networking student to understand. The network topologies and protocols are very wide. We have different kinds of networks. We have different kinds of protocols. So it's really tough for a student to get to know. Before you can really compare these approaches, you need to understand some of the basic characteristics that make networks what they are. So first is network types. Here I'm talking about LANs and WANs. So first, what is LAN? A LAN, or a local area network, is a group of computers and associated devices that share a common communication line or wireless link to a server. Typically, a LAN encompasses computers and peripherals connected to a server within a small geographic area such as an office building or a home. If someone is connected with a single line, maybe it's a broadband, maybe it's a wireless, that is called a local area network. It's a very small range network and it will be or it is in a particular office or a particular home or just a particular building. Computers and other mobile devices can share resources such as a printer or a network storage. They can share with each other because they are connected by the same network. A local area network may serve as few as 2 or 3 users in a home or office as many as hundreds or thousands of users. So a LAN is a group of computers or peripheral devices that are sharing a common communication line. That's the important aspect of a LAN. WANs, or a wide area network, are a geographically dispersed telecommunication network. LAN is in a particular building, home, or office, but WANs can connect multiple locations dispersed throughout a geography. A wide area network may be privately owned or rented and usefully connects the inclusion of public networks. This ensures that computer users in one location can communicate with computer users in another location. In LANs, users can communicate within a single building, and in WANs, they can communicate within multiple buildings across several locations. WANs are similar to a banking system where hundreds of branches in different cities are connected with each other in order to share their official data.